Hi, Lewisdale Lion family. I hope all is well. It's been a while since I've made a video, but I had some information to share. Maybe you already know, but I didn't know. And I was so grateful to share what I learned from Mrs. Lopez. Thank you, Kindergarten Lopez, for your knowledge and being able to share it with others. Are you starting to get annoyed with having to renew your meeting ID when you change the calendars or the number of occurrences? Well, you don't have to do that anymore. If you go to edit all occurrences, and right after you click the reoccurrence, instead of putting daily, you put no fixed time. And that'll eliminate you having to set a Google Calendar alert to change your meeting ID or to update the number of times, all of that. You don't have to do that anymore. So I just wanted to thank Ms. Lopez for her knowledge and thank those of you that are sharing with your teams, because again, we're all in this together, and it's so important for us to hold each other accountable, to lift each other up, and to share our knowledge. We're only as strong as our weakest link. I hope you all are well and that you have a great day.